So we're gonna start with just a D chord. And then our next one, it's actually still a D, but it's just a different spot for it. So you're gonna put your first finger on the first string, 5th fret, your ring finger's on the 3rd string, 7th fret, and your pinky is on the 7th fret, 2nd string. And you're just plucking, or strumming, sorry, those 3 strings down. Then you're gonna go up and make a D shape, which is actually our G triad. And we're doing that on your 7th fret and your 8th fret. And then you're gonna go back to that other D triad here. So the beginning, it's D, D, G, D, just like our chords, but we're just playing them in a different spot. So we're going D, D, G, D, then back to our D, but we're going to arpeggiate it now from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, string 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to keep your ring finger there. We're going to move these here and play an A sus chord. So we're going to arpeggiate this one, and we're starting on the 5th string. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then end on your D.